Hello everyone, how's it going? It's another amazing day and it's update day, the one I've been waiting for. We'll get in the Volvo, we'll go to the new site and we'll have a look at the new roller shutter. So as far as this update goes, now going to the little site. Now, whoa, nearly crashed the Volvo. Well, there's nothing wrong with the suspension on the old Volvo. No knocking, no banging. So it's going to be a little bit bitty, this clip, because the guys that are doing the door, they did it. I wasn't very happy with something that they did, so they had to come out and do the whole thing again. It's a big day for the garage today, look. Foremost garage doors. Oh, it looks so much better with a big hole in the wall. Look at all that space, look. So that was the first time they came and the first time they installed it, when they were taking the big doors off. So the guys at Foremost are still here. That looks better, doesn't it? Check it out. And that was the second time that they took it off and done a couple of bits and put it back on again. And that's when they disappeared off down the road, just after they'd finished doing the job. Done now, apart from a tiny little bit of touching up that I've got to do, and a little bit of CT1 and around it. But as far as the actual door goes, it's done. And it looks mega. And I can't wait to show you guys. So I will turn this camera around and you can see what it looks like. We'll be there in a mo. Look at that, look. Cool, I haven't cleaned the Volvo yet, haven't started the Volvo yet. Still a good looking car, even when it's dirty. So I'll tell you what, I'll get onto the door, I'll show you the door. Just so you can see what you think. Look at that. Cool, it got dusty quick. Wait. Look at that. Are you kidding me? I can't show you, I hope you didn't see in there. Can't show you what's in there because I've got another little surprise inside. But you'll see that on the next one. I'm going to close it again. I feel like I'm showing off with my new door. I'm so excited about this door. So all I've got to do is just paint that little bit up the top there, paint a little bit up there, paint a little bit on the right hand side, just where it was installed, where we had to reinforce the lintel. But that's it. That gives you a really good idea of what the face of it looks like now. I know I've got to do some weeding. And I've still got to sort the forecourt out. I've still got so much to do, I know I have. But I want to try and keep you guys up to speed so you can see what it's like. So here's my plan. Anthracite roller shutter, grey building, anthracite door, and then anthracite fence to match the doors and the roller shutter. What do you think? So I've done that little section there. So I plan to do that one over there as well. So it sort of all moulds into one on a colour scheme. Oh look, the Volvo's the same colour. Nice. What do you think? What do you think of my fence paint? I mean, it's a pretty good match with the door. It's the closest I could find. I don't know. I'm getting excited about it. I've got another update for you on something else, but just for this one, just this little clip, we'll leave it like this for now. I didn't realise how busy this little junction was. There's been like 50 cars past here since I've only been here a couple of minutes. I'm starting to think this is like a really good little site. I didn't think the location was that good, but I loved it. Now I'm starting to think it might be a good location as well. And there we go. Another little update for you guys. And just as a little Brucey bonus, just met the neighbours from the house next door. Lovely couple, and he loves cars, very much a car nut. Has had 5 Mercs in the past 5 years or something like that. Lovely couple. Invited me round for a cup of tea. Didn't have time for a cup of tea, and they invited Claire round for a cup of tea. Lovely. You can't ask for anyone nicer than that. Oh, it's made my day, that has. So for now, this update, that's all for this one. I have got another update coming in a couple of days. Oh, it's got a little bit, it's not the best news, but you'll see about that one on the next one. But for now, I don't even know what video is coming after this. Might be an auction video. I can't remember. Keep your eyes open. I can't remember which one's coming. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot.